Hi, I'm back. So it's been a long time since I make a new video. I haven't got the time, haven't got the mood actually. I need a lot of sleep recently. And unrelated to any photography stuff, I've been doing a lot of running. It's actually a training for my first full marathon. Well, that's gonna be another story. But yeah, a couple moments ago, Lomography has sent me 2 of their films for me to try. It's not a new film, but fortunately for them, I haven't tried any of them. And it's Lomochrome Purple and Lomochrome Metropolis. They gave these 2 rolls on medium format. Unfortunately for them, I currently don't have any medium format camera in my possession. So I borrowed a Mamiya RB67 from my friend. So how do these 2 films look? Let's check those out. I tried this film in a familiar place. A small hill where I often train for a trail running session. A lot of trees and greenery, which I think can be a suitable place to try both Purple and Metropolis. I shot Metropolis first and quite like this first photo, really like the reflection on the water. One thing I noticed about this film is the color is rather muted, and kinda emulate the bleach bypass look. This place is my go-to place when I do test rolls, a suitable place for an introvert like me, cause there aren't any people around. I love that single tree so much. I photographed that tree a couple of times actually, and never failed me. I like this photo a lot, and I think the film, which has this moody tone, really suits with the objects that I photograph, dead trees and branches. I have a soft spot for trees with a unique look. Here's the last photo from Metropolis. So next film is the Lomochrome Purple, and I think I want to shoot it at 100 or 200 ISO since it's so cloudy and there's no sunlight. So I think 100 and 200 would be the perfect ISO. the first frame. Part of it was burned, which happened while unloading the film to be developed. This Lomochrome purple that I use is too purple for my own taste. I think it's too strong. I don't know if it's overexposed or under. Now we're talking. This is the kind of tone that I wish I get when using Lomochrome purple. The right amount and the right shade of purple. And here are the remaining photos of Lomochrome purple that I took that day. This photo is a little bit like aerochrome, right? And here's the last one. I like it a lot. The last photo turns out to be the photo I like the most from this film. I forgot what ISO I shot this film in. I think it's 200 ISO. And maybe that's the sweet spot to shoot this film. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much Lomography Indonesia for sending me these two films. For an experiment, these two films are so fun to use, especially Lomochrome Purple. But it's not an everyday film, not a film that I would think first when I want to use a film on a daily basis. But yeah, it was fun to use both Lomochrome Metropolis and Lomochrome Purple. How about you guys? Would you give these two films a try? Let me know in the comments down below.